Ngi pilang subhai pi baro shashi sen pat shakanika channel ka jingi but ngi kerman ba baro pia shai pia klailon. Kenmawan subscribe ya ke channel but turn on your notification bell ru kenang pindom do iki videos ki bingi upload. Nada pikom ya like ya ki videos lane pim juyo iki notification pilawan follow ru yangi hapo ke Instagram. Pada Instagram ngi pentebek mana kapor ladang ngilap upload ki video batamai. Tementang in page no iki niki general awareness multiple choice questions lan niki MCQs ki balaban wan hakino ki exam kam. Kajingkylli kabaningkong, who is the president of the World Bank? Lani mono badai u president jangka World Bank menta A. Paul Wolfowitz, B. David Malpass, C. Alan Greenspan, lani D. Rodrigo D. Rato. Kajubab kadai B. David Malpass. Kajingkylli kabaar, two richest known source of edible protein are lani kinu kita ki artali ki jingbam ki babon bhaya ka protein. A. Milk and vegetables, B. Meat and eggs, C. Soybean and groundnut, lani D. Meat and vegetables. Kajubab kadai C. Soybean and groundnut. Kajingkylli kabalai, which among the following is the sacred book of the Buddhists? Lani kano kadai ka kot kabakentang yaki Buddhist. Kajubab kadai C. Tripitaka. Kajingkylli kabasaw, who is recognized as the father of geometry? Lani yano kishit tip kum ukpa jangka geometry. A. Pythagoras, B. Euclid, C. Johann Kepler, lani D. René Descartes. Kajubab kadai B. Euclid. Kajingkylli kabasan, Khalsa was founded by lani mono ba lab yakanika Khalsa. A. Guru Nanak, B. Arjun Dev, C. Guru Ramdas, lani D. Guru Gobind Singh. Kajubab kadai D. Guru Gobind Singh. Kajingkylli kabahanrio, who is the first law officer of government of India? Lani haka government jangka India mono badai u law officer u baningkong. A. Chief Justice of India, B. Attorney General, C. Law Minister, lani D. Solicitor General. Kajubab kadai B. Attorney General. Kajingkylli kabahanyo, which is known as carbolic acid? Lani ka kita kabikishikot ka carbolic acid. A. Phenol, B. Ethanol, C. Acetic acid, lani D. Oxalic acid. Kajubab kadai A. Phenol. Kajingkylli kabapra, parsec is the unit measurement of lani kani ka parsec kadai ka unit kabakishik penrankam mantau ya ka A. Density of stars, B. Astronomical distance, C. Brightness of heavenly bodies, lani D. Orbital velocity of giant stars. Kajubab kadai B. Astronomical distance. Kajingkylli kabakhandai, which of the countries is not a member of the BRICS group? Lani nakiniki sautali kiri kano kabamday naka BRICS group. A. Brazil, B. Russia, C. China, lani D. Indonesia. Kajubab kadai D. Indonesia, but kini kidai kita kiri kebadai naka BRICS group. Kajingkylli kabashpo, sandstone is which type of rock? Lani uniu sandstone udai ujat mau ayu. A. Calcareous rock, B. Metamorphic rock, C. Igneous rock, lani D. Sedimentary rock. Kajubab kadai D. Sedimentary rock. Te perlong nilai poin no sya kapakut jangan ni ke video buat ngi kerman ba philayo ya kajing mentoy kat tukan ni. Sungo bah share ru yakini ki jaj video ki bangi pinmi syakitu kiba.com bat lada ki nong page jang kini ki jaj video ki bon ngin sele ban shna shushu kum kini ki jaj video.